What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today it is freezing outside. It's like 10 degrees right now. I don't know what the wind chill is, but I'm just trying to do a quick video. We're gonna make some lobster tails. Ooh, man. Let's get this going. So here's the lobster tails right here. These are two 10-ounce lobster tails. Got this butter right here. Good stuff. Let's get these cooking. All right, so I got some oil on the tails. Got them nice and good. I did give them a little rinse after I got them ready. Boom. We're gonna cook these to about 140 degrees. I'll give it like 10 minutes and then we'll check back, see how they look. But I think it's gonna be good by then. So I'm gonna throw a little dome over these. Let them go. All right, I just happened to check these things. It's been 5 minutes since I put them on. I did put some water under there to steam them, and these things are done. It took 5 minutes. Oh, baby. This butter right here smells so good. What do I got in here? I got some garlic powder, parsley, fresh parsley, paprika, and thyme, and salt and pepper, and 1 stick of butter. And I got all the quantities down below, but man, this stuff smells amazing. So these things are done. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush them with some of this. I'm gonna put the lid back on, let them just cook a little bit more. We're ready. All right, so there you have it. This is all we got from 2 10-ounce lobster tails. So I'm just gonna cut a couple spots. I'm gonna dip this in that butter. Oh, get out of here. Man, this butter, I'm telling you, so good. Perfect. A little hot. I'm actually pretty surprised at how quick it cooked though. I mean, it went super fast. So I'm just gonna cut this stuff up. Got some asparagus in the house. About to go down. All right, well, I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.